Hello traders, David from Wave Trader here. Today I want to talk about a very important subject. It's called trade management. If you are not practicing risk management, trade management, then your trade is headed for the gutter. And I want to show you from one trade that I took and I missed because of lack of trade management. So I'm on the silver currency or pair, and this is the monthly chart, and you can see it's showing you a very valid wave bottom situation, okay, with price targets up to this level. So silver is on the way up. Okay, going to the weekly, I previously made a video where I showed what happened here, and I took this trade up and I made some good profits, and I was expecting to continue the upward move on silver. So going down to the daily, this is what the market is showing me. Okay, so I was looking in this region. Let me just mark that. Okay, so I was looking in this region with the intention to continue the upward move. So going to the 4-hour chart, we can see here what happened. So I took this trade the last time, made profits to this level, okay, and then I waited patiently for a couple of days, okay. But what I did was what I did was I plotted the retracement of this move up, okay, and I took a 55% retracement, and I placed a buy limit here, okay. I placed a buy limit here, and then I placed a buy stop. So 2 orders, limit orders, and that was about 3 days ago. So funny enough, the next day I was busy. I had a client that I was training in Forex. So I didn't have the time to look at my own charts. Granted, I was on the charts, but I was teaching her on another currency pair, and I actually was teaching her on gold, and I saw that gold had appreciated in value, so I knew silver too had gone up. So I knew all my trades were in my favor because I had 1 lot here as a buy limit and 2 lots here as a buy stop. So I knew I was in profit, but this is my mistake. This is what I'm trying to talk about. I did not manage my trade because I felt I was so busy, and I was so confident because here I was looking at the price targets on the weekly. I wasn't focused on the 4-hour per se or on the 1-hour chart. So in other words, my profit levels were quite high. But see, there was a valid wave bottom on the 1-hour chart. I could have even plotted this and taken my profit to this level. And let me do that now and show you. So plotting the wave target using this price level on the 1-hour chart, see, so I could have easily taken a price target, a profit target of 2 or 3 here, okay. So that means I was in profit on all 3 lots, but I neglected to look at my charts. I felt it was going to keep going up, and this is what happened to me, okay. So I lost on all 3 trades woefully. So now it's beginning to form up to set up another wave bottom, so I have to wait again to enter to the upside. So what I want to tell you traders out there is please do not ignore your trades when you take them. When you take your trades and it's going in your favor by at least 15 or 20 pips, move your stop to your entry level, okay, or at least 5 pips above your entry level. So if your stop was, say, here, okay, and you entered the market somewhere here, once it moves in your favor, 15-20 pips should be good. you will bring your stop loss somewhere in this region. Okay, so if it goes against you, at least you won't lose anything, rather you will make a few pips. Okay, so that was my mistake. I totally ignored my chart for about a full day, and by the time I checked it yesterday night, it had dropped this. And I think this is due to news. Okay, and this kind of thing can happen. It's not often, but it does happen. So please manage your trades, limit your risk, and you will do fine. Thank you very much.